Hi, it's Monique. Visit my website daytimevegan.com for a ton of vegan breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. Hi, it's Monique and I'm here with another video. For this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple hummus recipe. The only difference between this hummus and traditional hummus is that I'm going to add a bunch of caramelized onions and it makes the hummus taste so good. So yeah, this is a caramelized hummus recipe, caramelized onion. So yeah, this is a caramelized onion hummus recipe. I'm also going to use this hummus in a pasta recipe in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like it, leave a comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Hello, I hope you enjoyed this video and please give the recipe a try. I do want to note that if you didn't notice, I like my hummus a little bit thicker than hummus you can get from restaurants. Like I've had some really liquidy hummuses before in Middle Eastern restaurants. But it's all personal preference. I just like mine thicker. If you like yours a little bit thinner, you can add a little bit more olive oil or lemon juice until it's the consistency that you like. So yeah, give the recipe a try. Please like the video, leave a comment or question if you have any, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!